for your blessings, for your miracles, for your blessings. Ooh. Get ready, get ready, get ready. No, I'm ready.
Hey guys, what's going on? So today I had to do some inventory for the studio space. I literally have no products. Like, oh my goodness, I can't believe I let myself get this low. But I needed everything, and I have my first appointment isn't until 11 o'clock, so I have a couple hours before my first appointment come in. So I'm said, let me make good use of my time and go and stock up on what I need. So I need everything. I need shampoos, conditioners, colors, developers, gloves, styling products. I need everything. Now, I know I'm not going to be able to get everything today, at least within the next 2 hours, because the one store that I really want to go to is too far. So I'm just going to try and get as much as I can in the meantime. So the first store I'm going to check out is Cosmo Prof. So I'm going to check out Cosmo Prof. I love Cosmo Prof. The only issue that I have with Cosmo Prof is that every single time you go into the store, the shelves are halfway bare. Like, it's so annoying. Like, why don't you guys ever have anything in stock? Who's your buyer? Who's making the purchase orders? Like, it's given very much, where is all of the products? So, but I'm gonna go to Cosmo Prof first. Then I'm gonna go to Paramount Beauty. And I really would love to go to Salon Centric. I love Salon Centrics, but it's just too far from the studio space. And if I do go, which I do have enough time to go, I have 2 hours, that would be the only store I can go to. So I'm like, let me make better use of my time and go to the local ones. That way I can check out 2 or 3 stores, just in the event that I don't find what I need. I can go to another store and pick it up. So I'll probably do Salon Centric either later on this evening or maybe tomorrow. I don't know. But I definitely need to make a trip there. And I also want to check out what classes that they're going to be offering in the next couple months. One thing I did say this past year is that I want to be more intentional about my continued education behind the chair. So Cosmo Prof does an amazing job with this. Paramount does an amazing job with this. And definitely Salon Centric does an amazing job with offering free classes to stylists and beauty professionals. So I'm super excited about that. So I wanted to check out some of the classes that they have coming up soon. But yeah, enough rambling. I'm about to check out Cosmo Prof, and then after Cosmo Prof, I'm gonna go to Paramount Beauty and see what they have. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Good morning. So right now I am in Cosmo Prof, and I had to stock up on some items that I get from Kenra. I absolutely love Kenra. Love Kenra. Chef's kiss. Definitely one of my favorite product lines. So I'm gonna pick up a couple items from them. And I also know that I need some shampoos, conditioners, developers, a list of stuff. So these two are by far some of my favorite products for doing a silk press. This blow dry spray, amazing, and the silkening gloss is perfect. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. It's the perfect consistency with doing a silk press. And these are both by Kenra. Amazing. Design Essentials has some of the best shampoos and conditioners for texture hair. Talk about conditioning, hydrating, moisturizing, all the things. Design Essentials definitely takes the cake for shampoos and conditioners for texture hair. Not too bad. Let's see what I got. All right, so the last store I'm gonna check out is TJ Maxx. Now, believe it or not, TJ Maxx is a hidden gem for shampoos, conditioner, and hair care products in general. What I love about TJ Maxx is that they have some of the best, highest quality, professional grade products that used to be in the Cosmo Profs, that used to be in the Paramount Beauty stores, that used to be in the what's the other store? Salon Centric stores. All the products, well, not all of them, but a lot of the products that they used to carry in those stores, the products are now in TJ Maxx. And that doesn't necessarily mean that they're not good products. It just means that maybe they didn't sell, maybe there wasn't marketing properly or whatever have you, or the brand came out with a better version of that or a different version of it or whatever have you. So TJ Maxx, if you guys are looking for some really good quality salon grade products, definitely check out TJ Maxx. Marshalls definitely have some as well, but TJ Maxx definitely. So yeah, I'm about to head into TJ Maxx. I'm gonna try not to get distracted with all of the handbags, the jewelry, the clothes, because it's 10:21 now and my next appointment is at 11. So I gotta make this quick. Listen, y'all, the struggle is real because TJ Maxx is one of my favorite stores and I will go to town in there. So, all right, let me make this quick. So here's a professional grade product line. It's called Verb. They sell this at Paramount Beauty and they have a couple different options. They have the purple shampoo, they have the glossy shampoo and conditioner, volumizing conditioner, leave-in conditioner, hydrating conditioner, and then they have some styling products. So I'm telling you guys, TJ Maxx. I don't really use Verb. I felt like it's a little too light for textured hair, but you know. Okay, so this is another example, okay? Another example. This is Joico. Absolutely love Joico. They sell Joico at Cosmo Prof, I want to say, and Paramount Beauty. But these are some shampoos and conditioners, and they are at TJ Maxx. These are currently on the shelf right now at Cosmo Prof and at Paramount Beauty. Listen, you can't make this up. This is the Moisture Recovery Moisturizing Shampoo, shampooing hydrant. This is, I believe this is 33 ounces, almost 34 ounces, and this is $19, okay? But yes, you can find these professional grade products at TJ Maxx. They also have cheap products at TJ Maxx. Love, love, love. You can never go wrong with cheap products.
Is this sample? It's good.
Huh?
It's good.
Oh yeah, yes, 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 yes. Okay, so I gotta hurry up because my client is about to come in. I really didn't get that much stuff, but the stuff that I did get was pretty good. So I got a few shampoos, and some conditioners, and I also got some styling products. So I got, of course, the Design Essentials almond and avocado shampoo and conditioner. These, like I told you before, Design Essentials for textured hair. Oh my goodness, I cannot stress this enough. Design Essentials, y'all do y'all big one every time y'all get a chance. Then I got the Chi Argan Oil, Moroccan and Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner, amazing. I also got some tea tree oil shampoo. I really do not like a lot of the tea tree conditioners. I don't know. I haven't really found a tea tree conditioner that I actually really, really like, but I did get a tea tree oil shampoo by Chi. I got, of course, the Kenra Shine Spray, amazing, for finishing, just to add an extra layer of gloss at the end of any style. I got my baby, the Holy Grail, the Silkening Gloss by Kenra. And of course, I also got the Blow Dry Spray by Kenra. They only had the small one. I'll probably go through this in about, I'm going to go through this. They only had the small one in stock, but they do have a larger one. This right here is 3.4 ounces. I believe the bigger one is about 8 ounces, 8 or 10 ounces. I can't remember, but they never had it. Like, Cosmo Prof, come on. But I did get the Blow Dry Spray by Kenra, and I got this Chi Essential Kit, Essential Care Kit. It comes with the Silk Infusion, a Moisturized Therapy Shampoo, and the Thermal Protection Treatment. The reason why I got this was really because of the Silk Infusion. I do like the Silk Infusion. It kind of puts me in mind of the Silkening Gloss. This one is just a little lighter, but it's still really, really good in terms of like texture and consistency. This one is just a tad bit lighter than the Kenra, but it's still good. The reason why I got the care kit is because the 8 ounce, I'm sorry, is this the 8 ounce or 4 ounce? The 6 ounce of the Silk Infusion was the same price as the kit. So I said I might as well just get the kits. And you get 2 extra products for essentially free. So that's why I got the care kit. But I also got 2 of the gallons of developer. I got a 20 volume developer, and I also got a 30-gallon developer. They're still in my car. I'll grab them in a second. But that is all I got so far. I still have to get so much more stuff. I have to completely restock my color line. I also have to get some gloves. I have to get some lightener. Listen, here's the thing. Whenever you're an entrepreneur, everything falls on you. Even if you are in a studio, whether it's your own set-aside, standalone studio, or if you're in a suite, or if you are a salon owner, you are responsible for purchasing and gathering all the back bars. So this stuff gets expensive. I think altogether I may have spent close to $200, which, I mean, it'll last me a good while, but the prices of everything is going up, okay? If you guys ever wonder why people are, like, stylists are increasing their prices, is because that everything else is increasing. The shampoos are going up, the conditioners are going up, the styling products, everything is going up. It's crazy. So there you have it.
Did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris? Sailing overseas and just meet me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to
so I literally only had 2 clients today. So I just finished my last client, and I love Tuesdays. It's always just so chill. So I only had 2 people today, and then I'm about to go pick Ava up from school early because she has an appointment to get her hair done. So I'm gonna bring her here, wash her hair, and then take her to her appointment. And then I think I'm gonna come back and clean up. This shop is a mess. Well, it's really not a mess, but I need to clean up. I need to mop the floors. I need to clean down all the stations, all those things. So let me run and grab her, and then I will be right back.
And I've been with triplets, I've been with friends, I've been so long, where do I begin? And to me, you are a star, so still. Even though I found your green eyes out in Mobile. Ever since I caught you all that ice, you like no chill, no more. Time. Ain't never try to waste mine. Proved it a million times. Whoa. Linking up, we went and turned together. I always keep you going. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And you dressed up for me, but you don't want to show anybody.
Okay, so I'm pretty much done cleaning for today. I'm just gonna head on out and wrap this vlog up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any comments or suggestions, put them down below in the comment section, and I will read them and go through all of them and respond. But thank you guys so much for tuning into yet another one of my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
For your blessings, for your